Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing in, open Amazon and go straight to orders. Look for the item and check order date, seller, and ID so you know exactly which purchase to cancel. Once you see the right entry, click or tap details to reveal actions. Make sure payment hasn't been captured or the item hasn't already shipped. Those two facts change your options. If you act now, you'll reach the cancel button faster and avoid delays that block refunds. Once on the order page, choose Cancel Items. If that option is missing, press Contact Seller immediately and request cancellation. You should select the exact quantity to cancel and pick a clear reason from the menu. This helps automated processing. Then review the refund method and the estimated time. Amazon often issues refunds to the original payment method within 3-5 business days. Keep the order confirmation open in case you need to reference ID during follow-up. Finally, confirm the cancellation and save the confirmation number or take a screenshot for your records. That evidence speeds disputes. If the item already shipped, go to Return Center to request a return and check your eligibility for prepaid labels. Make sure to monitor your bank or card for the refund. If it doesn't appear within the estimated window, contact Amazon support with the order ID and confirmation details. As a tip, if seller communicates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.